Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. If you've watched my videos, you know I was taking a trip to Palm Springs just to kind of a recoup week for me. So I just got back and I got back to like 5 subscription boxes. So I'm doing a little video marathon filming, and so the first one I have today that I'm going to share is my Ipsy. This is my Boxycharm by Ipsy, and so I'm really excited to share it. So let's just see what we got in here. Okay, friends, first of all, I want to thank you for being here. I appreciate your support. You can support my channel by hitting the like button, subscribing, leaving me a comment. I appreciate all those things so much, and I do respond to my comments. So anyway, let's see here. So we're opening this up, and I have to admit, it's a little sneak peek of what's in here. Okay, so we're going to see what we have in here. I am wearing some of the products, so I did get into this box already, but I'm just going to go in the order of their picks, my picks, and then I have a few add-ons. So anyway, the first thing I'm going to share is their picks. The first thing they picked for me was the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin. I love Danessa Myricks anything. This is the concealer, and the color is actually perfect on me. I did use this today. Anyway, on my under eyes, this is what it looks like. It's kind of a wider flat bottle. Kind of different from a lot of concealers. It has a good doe foot, and there's the color, so you can, well, it just kind of blends right in my skin. So I was happy with the color, and so far I think I'm pretty happy with the product too. So anyway, that's the first thing I am wearing. And the second thing they picked for me, this was a little bit of a disappointment, although I do like brow gels and I do like Dominic Cosmetics. This right here, it says it was valued at $18, but they have it listed for $4. Like they were selling it for $4. And to me, for one of their power picks, I just don't, I'm just not sure if, I think that was kind of a slough off in a way. So I will use it. I do have it on right now. It does actually seem like a really good brow gel, so it just kind of hugs or picks up whatever. So anyway, that was the second item. I just wish it was a little bit more value for one of their picks. And so I'm going to go to my first pick, which actually I'm so excited about. You guys know that I've been loving Huda Beauty, so it's kind of one of my top brands right now. Anything I get from Huda Beauty I love. And they have the Easy Blur face primer, and I did love it. I use this. It could be one of my favorites. I think it is just a little pink. It's a pink gel. I don't know if I want to waste any here, but I don't know if you can see that. It's just like a, right here, it's just like a pink gel, and it just feels really good. It reminds me of kind of the Milk Makeup. And I also have some pink gel I like that's from, let's see, who's that from? It's not Sol de Janeiro, it's In Sol or something like that. But anyway, I love this, so I'm excited about that. I use that. So that's just another product to add to my Huda. We'll see if I have a full face of Huda yet. Huda Beauty, so we'll see, and I'll maybe I'll do a full face of Huda one of these times. So the next pick they had for me, and you know, I'll put this pics on the screen. They weren't all super exciting to me, but I picked the eyeshadow palette. This is from Formula Z. It's called Pretty Magic. And my problem is with eyeshadow palettes, I didn't want to not get it and then have FOMO. So when I saw other people getting it, so I went ahead and got it. It's kind of a cheap plastic. It's not, anyway, and here's the color scheme, which is a little bit different right there. Now I am wearing this, and I'll be honest with you, I'm not absolutely in love with it. I did kind of do something different for me. I used kind of the neutral tones. I do like the shimmers in here. There's 4 shimmers that are wonderful. There's a pink one, a green one. This one's more of a golden green or moss green, I don't know. And then this one's kind of a golden light shimmer. Anyway, so I do kind of like the shimmers. And that's those right there. They're all kind of pretty. But they're not real pigmented. You can see them right there. Now I did do this green. I did this green right here. I did it in my corner, in my eyelids, which I don't use a lot of green, but I thought it was kind of fun. I like this color. It's just real light. And so I did use that kind of in the corners of my eyes. So anyway, there's that. Like I said, kind of disappointed. I don't absolutely love the pigments in here, but I don't know. It's just an eyeshadow palette. So anyway, and I have it on. So there's that. That was my second pick. And my third pick was kind of, was a skincare item. It's from Dew of the Gods, and it's a H2O is what it's called. There we go, H2O. And it, Heaven Water plus Blue Spirulina Daily Gel Moisturizer. Now, I don't have a lot of gel moisturizers. They're usually creamy. So I kind of wanted to try that. I love Dew of the Gods too. This product, let me tell you, it's valued at $42. And I'll go back to eyeshadow, was valued at $42 also. And the Huda primer is valued at $29. So anyway, that's just a little, they are pretty higher end products. Well, the eyeshadow, not necessarily. I almost think $42. I would never buy this eyeshadow palette for $42. Never, ever. I would go the extra if I had to and pick up a Natasha or something. So anyway, but here it is. Here's this. I'm going to open it up. It's very heavy. And okay, it's cool. It's a cool blue. I like that. And I think it is a glass bottle. I think that's why it's so. Now here's the, I'm just going to drip it right here. Okay. It's kind of a clear gel right there. And it feels good. Nice for summer. There it is, kind of rubbed in. Has a nice, kind of a slight and nice fragrance to it. So anyway, that's my third pick. So far, their picks were the Danessa Myricks Concealer and the Dominique Brow Gel. My picks were the Huda Beauty, the Formula Z eyeshadow palette, and the Dew of the Gods moisturizer. So I'm actually pretty happy. I think Ipsy's been upping their game quite a bit. I was kind of disappointed this month though, for a couple of reasons. For this being so cheap, and but once again, for them to even have Huda Beauty, they've been selling a lot of Huda Beauty things and having them. So I do like that. I think they have upped their game in some of their brands and stuff, which has been exciting. This is a great product to have. So anyway, not a bad box, but I've still got one more, and this is my Beauty Boost. The Beauty Boost this month, I can't complain about a Tarte product. I don't know though if I'm going to use this one because I have so many, I have a lot of Tarte stuff, and I'd almost rather give this away to someone than to use it because, like I said, I have so many. So this is what it is. It's really pretty sleek. It's got the gold back. It's thin. It's a thin palette, but it's got a bronzer and a highlight. Ooh, those are prettier in person. I don't know. This is pretty. It's a neutral palette. I don't know how much I'd use the green or the blue there, but the rest of the colors look like colors I would use. So there's a look at that. I'm not, ooh, that blue has a shimmer. They all kind of have a little shimmer in them. I don't know. I might have to keep this. Okay, we'll see. But I'm not gonna sample it just in case I decide to give that away. So there's that. Always like Tarte. And this, I think this palette is valued at $47. So that's probably what you'd pay for it on Tarte, not on sale. And so there's that. So that's kind of exciting. Now it looks like I have 4 add-on products. And the first one is from e.l.f. Skin. I did not know this was going to be, these are Thirst Burst drops. Let's see here what it says about them. Looks like they're pink drops. And this is valued at $12 for e.l.f. Now, this had to have been like $3.50, probably in their $3.50 items, and I couldn't pass it up. So that's it's a full-size bottle, e.l.f. Skin Thirst Burst drops. Let's see what it tells us about them, because I really don't know. This says why you'll love it. Give your skin a burst of hydration with these multi-use gel serum drops infused with a hydrating hibiscus complex, brightening niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. They deliver a dewy, plump look with a non-greasy fill. Okay, so it's just it's kind of like a serum for hydration. So that's really cool. That was kind of a big thing. I'm gonna go like this again. We'll see what we got here. Okay, yeah, it's just a little pink. If you can see that drop right here. I can't really tell if it has a scent because I have that other moisturizer on. It all kind of smells the same. But anyway, so that's kind of that was a good deal for to get that big product. So anyway, I'm excited to try that. e.l.f. does a pretty good job of doing quality products for a low cost. So anyway, the next add-on I have is from Pacifica. Okay, Pacifica, I think that might be where they might carry one of the primers I really like. But anyway, this one is this is another one of the inexpensive products, $3.50 products, but let's see here. It doesn't say what it's valued at. It's an exfoliant that gives skin that glow Baby Like a Facial in a Bottle. It's packed with gentle exfoliations like rice starch, skin smoothing fruit extracts, renewing glycolic acid, and brightening vitamin C. To whisk away impurities and unclog pores and reveal fresh, radiant skin underneath. Okay, that's why I got this, because I did run out of one of my favorite facial exfoliants. So I thought I would try this. So, and I do like this brand for skincare products. So anyway, there's that. The next item that I got for my little 350 items is, I don't know what this is. This is from Dermalactives, and it is a perfecting face serum with vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. So it's just another small serum. I like to take these kind of products with me when I travel, because it's enough for a vacation to last. And I do like the vitamin C and the hyaluronic acid. So anyway, there's that. And then the last thing I have here is from Glow Recipe. This is the niacinamide. It's a toner. So there's that. Just another 350 item that I picked up with add-ons. I do like this. I have used this before and I like it. It's another great size toner to take on vacation. So anyway, these are my, let's see, what else do I have here? What am I missing? These were my 4 add-ons. So I was happy with those. And so my Beauty Boost, the eyeshadow palette, and I have the Dewdrops, the eyeshadow palette, and the Huda Beauty primer. Those were my picks. And then Ipsy picked for me the Dominique brow gel and the Yummy Skin Danessa Myricks concealer, which I really like. So anyway, that's it for the month of June. I'm happy. I'm very happy for, you know, to get all that for, well, I paid $15 for the boost, and then the box is what, around 30. So anyway, that's just a lot of, I mean, this alone, you know, $29. What were these? 47 or 42. So 2 of these, 42. Anyway, so the value is definitely there. So some of these items pay for more than the box. So anyway, let me know what you think about my box. Did you get the Boxycharm, and what did you get? Anyway, so let me know what you think of mine and what you think of yours. And I appreciate your support. Thank you for being here. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends? Bye-bye.